Hi, this is Derek from Sintegrate Electronics. Today I'm here to introduce the new model, the new navigation interface model for Holden car models. Here we see is the OEM screen of the Holden Commodore. And here is the OEM head unit, and here is the navigation interface model. Okay, so here you see all the signals of the OEM head unit is transfer input to the interface unit, then output to the factory panel here. Okay, here I'm showing something about the performance and the features and the performance of this model. Okay, first we can touch this icon, more icon, to the next page. Then when I tap this icon again, then it goes to the navigation interface systems smoothly and fluently. Okay, here we see this navigation interface brings all these functions are showing here. The first one is GPS, that is media player. Media player means the video and audio player. That is on the OBD information, TPMS, DVR, HDMI, and the settings. Okay, let me introduce these to you one by one. The first is the GPS. So after we insert the TF card, which is loaded with the maps, we can browse the maps here. After you find the file, that you can just run it. Okay, unfortunately we don't have our maps here, so we cannot show you here. Okay, so back to the next one is media player. The media player, there can be audio and video. Here it's for first one is audio, and then it's for video. All the files of the audio and the video files are loaded into a USB stick, and the USB stick and there's a USB stick cable socket here. Then we have another extension cable which you can which you connect the USB stick to the interface unit. Okay, then we can choose this one. Okay. And in this mode, you see the volume. Let's go back, then you can see the volume. No. This is a mistake. Okay, let me see the music. What's the music? Okay. Here it must be works. So it seems we have to improve the software to fix it. Okay. Then is the OBD information. That's kind of this information is coming from the OEM CAN bus systems. So there's the fuel consumption, the brake, the brake force and voltage, and engine system something. Okay, all this information which is useful is displayed here. Okay, I go back. The next one is the TPMS is that means the model can be support external TPMS systems. So does DVR. So it's external device. TPMS that's external device too. So that means the external TPMS systems can work with this navigation interface unit. The HDMI means we can connect our smartphone with HDMI cable and input the video source or video sources of the cell phone to the factory panel. Once we connect the cell phone to the interface unit, this icon will be active and going to and become more light. Then we click this icon, then enter into the system. Okay, that is exciting. The interesting thing is he is here. Actually, this navigation interface is not can be support both of the factory rear camera or the aftermarket rear camera. Here, if the car built-in rear camera, we can choose this on or off. If it's not, we can choose it off. If on, we can choose it on. Okay. The first in here is OEM. Original means that's OEM rear camera. Okay. If the car equipped is aftermarket rear camera, so we can choose to installation. That means aftermarket one. Okay. Okay, let's go back. Okay. For example, all these functions. Now we're going to focus to the buttons. Okay. The source button. Okay. Once you click this source button, so all the sources of the interface unit will change one by one in circle. Okay. Then seek. Okay. Next one. Previous one. Okay. This tone function is only for audio settings. Since we don't have audio setting in interface systems. If once you press this button, then we go to the OEM audio setting systems. Okay. Unfortunately, we don't have the Holden car is not available in China, so we cannot install it in a car and show the performance to you. Actually, we think we make this model can be completely compatible to the OEM audio systems harmoniously. Even when you in navigation systems, then you change the adjusting the air conditioner OEM or air conditioner systems. Then the information of the air conditioner will be pop up on the screen. But don't get back to OEM screen. So you can see the navigation, the maps. Well, all this air conditioner information is shown here. That's very favorable and convenience to the drivers. Okay. So I think it's a perfect model. It deserved your trying. It's worth of the trying. So I suggest you can get a sample and test in your car, then get more experience and feedback to us. Okay, thank you for watching.